Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing a wash and go. I'm going to be using Paul Mitchell, the conditioner, Smooth and Shine curling gel, castor oil, and Eco Styler styling gel just for my edges. Okay, so let's begin. I'm going to first add some of the Paul Mitchell, the conditioner, all over my hair. And I like to focus my conditioner on my ends and then work my way up to my root. And I'm very, very generous with the conditioner. Very. Okay. Once that's all saturated in my hair, I'm going to take some of the castor oil. Not too much, but just enough to add a little shine. And work that in the same way I did the conditioner, starting at the ends and working my way up to the top. And focusing on my edges too. I'm still going through a little bit of postpartum shading. So try to focus on growing that back. Okay. Now I'm going to section my hair off just in 2 parts. And the part doesn't have to be straight at all because we don't want a part anyway in our hair. So I'm going to twist this side up, clip it up, and I'm going to start on this side. Okay. So now I'm going to use the Smooth and Shine. And I'm going to take small sections. And I'll show you all how I do this, how I apply it. Okay. And my hair is washed and conditioned. I use the Shea Moisture products. I'll show you all. I use the Moisture Retention by Shea Moisture. And also I use the Manuka and Honey conditioner by Shea Moisture. Okay, now I'm going to take some. And I don't put a lot on my root just because it takes a long time to dry. But I do like it to smooth out the top. So just add a little bit around the top. And then I add a generous amount on the shaft of the hair. And I just work it in. It's going to feel a little sticky, sound a little sticky, but that's how my wash and goes tend to last. And I use this same gel for when I did my wash and go, and it gave me a good amount of definition without being crunchy. So I seem to like it so far. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing to this area, this section. And I live in Louisiana, where it's very, very warm. So I need my styles to last, so I have to be generous when I add product. So working it in. And I like to work it in until I feel it feels smooth. So I just continue to slide my hands down my hair to make sure I feel all the product on my hair strands. Okay, and this is so far the definition. Okay. Okay, and I'm gonna continue this section, and I'll continue this part on camera, and then I'll come back when my head is maybe 75% done. Then I'll come back and show you all the rest. And also, if you need to resaturate your hair, I just keep a spray bottle and I add some water. I notice my wash and goes tend to do better when my hair is really wet. So and when I wash my hair, I dry my hair with a t-shirt to help keep the moisture in. So I use a t-shirt to dry my hair. Now, one thing I noticed, this is a very messy process. It's different from the twist out. Very messy. But I usually tend to get more longevity out of a wash and go. If you all have any tips that can help me improve on my wash and go, please leave them below. Okay. And I'm using my camera as my mirror, so it's a little difficult. Okay, just continue. And I like to do my hair pretty early during the day to let it air dry, because I think it gives more of a natural effect when it's air dried. And then at the end, I just do the praying hands to make sure all my curls are clumping together. Okay. Okay. And then I'm going to add a little bit just to the top, just so that can be smoothed out too. Okay. So now I'll be back when I'm finished the other side. Well, when I get to the front part. Okay, so I'm back and I'm finished adding all of my products. So now I'm gonna just smooth my edges out with the Eco Styler gel, and then I'm gonna let it dry overnight, and I'll show you all how it comes out in the morning. So let me apply my Eco Styler, and once again I'm gonna use my little brush comb, and I just smooth my edges. Now during the night they're gonna get a little messed up, but that's okay. I like to at least lay them while my hair is wet. That way when I have to fix it in the morning, it's already pretty much laid. And I do have a part in my hair, but this isn't how I normally wear my hair. But normally I'll just take it and fluff it out so the part really won't show as much. So I'm just gonna lay them, and see if I can get closer. This is how it looks wet. And of course it looks a little way down, but that's all gonna change once it's dry. So let me turn and show you all the back. Once again, I don't know how the back look, so don't judge me. Let's see. Okay, and I'll be back tomorrow to show you all the finished product. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm going to show you how my wash and go came out. At night I sleep with this bonnet on, and I like to sleep with it inside out. I like the softer side to be on my hair. Okay, and I sleep with my hair in a low, loose ponytail. So when I take it out, this is how it looks. Still a little flat, has a little more volume, but still a little flat. So now I'm going to take some more of this castor oil and put a little bit on my hands, and just basically squish it in my hand, in my hair, and then just put a little bit on the top, a little bit on my edges. Okay, and to fluff, I use a pick, and I'm just going to lift and pull out, lift and pull out. I don't fluff too much because I don't want to cause unnecessary frizz, but I just like to add a little more lift to my hair. And as the days go by, it'll expand and get bigger. And I just keep fluffing, keep picking. And then I separate curls as needed. And I don't take the comb all the way through. I just pick at the roots. And I do a little shake. And if I'm looking over this way, my mirror is right here. So, okay. And then I fix my front how I like it. and just clean up little pieces of my edges that did not last through the night. Okay, let me get what I use, which is Eco Styler again. Now, if you do not worry about your edges, you can just skip this step, but I try to make sure the part that when I separate it in two is gone. And this is the final look. And like I said, as the days go by, it will expand and get bigger, and I like it. Okay, so let me show you the back and the sides. And that's the end. Bye-bye.